In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly error message on your Windows computer. Let's begin. First, click on the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. Once inside, make sure the View by option is set to Category. Now, click on Programs, then select Turn Windows Features on or off. In the new window, look at the top and make sure both .NET Framework options are checked. If they're already checked, you can close this window. If not, check both boxes and click OK. A pop-up will appear. Choose the top option that lets Windows download the necessary files. Wait a few minutes for the installation to complete. Now check if the error is fixed. If not, we'll try something else. Open File Explorer. Go to this PC and open your C drive. Scroll down and open the Windows folder. Inside Windows, scroll down again and open the System32 folder. Now scroll to the bottom and find the file named zinput1par3.dll. Right-click on it and delete it. Next, click the back arrow to return to the Windows folder. This time open the syswow64 folder. Again, scroll down to find zinput1.3.dll and delete it the same way. Now let's reinstall DirectX. Open your web browser, go to your favorite search engine, and type download DirectX. Click on the official Microsoft link at the top of the search results. Scroll down and click on the download button. Once downloaded, open the DXWeb setup file. Uncheck the box for Bing bar if you don't want it, then click Next, and again Next to install DirectX. Once that's done, click Finish. Finally, let's make sure Windows is up to date. Go back to the Start menu, type Settings, and open it. On the left menu, scroll down and click on Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any pending updates you see. And that's it. If you followed all these steps, the error should now be fixed. If this video helped you, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.